Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can upload bank statements on ClearBooks. We need to go to Money section, and here we can go to Bank Accounts and click on Bank Statement section, Import. So if I want to import transactions into my business account or my current account, click on that Import button. Or we can go to Bank Statements and click on Import Statement. From here, I need to select for which bank I want to actually import statement. I will keep my current account and click Select Account. Now I need to choose File. So there is some information on right hand side about CSV files. I will choose File, and in my case I have bank account August 22. Click Open. I can select payment method, but it's not mandatory, and click Upload. Okay, so statement has been uploaded. When you scroll to the very bottom, we have all transactions uploaded here. If I go to my bank accounts and scroll a little bit down, there is imported bank statement for my Rita K Bank current. So in this episode, I showed you how you can upload bank statements on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.